Welcome. If you're looking to improve your Discord mobile experience or troubleshoot voice issues, you might want to disable the advanced voice activity feature. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to turn off advanced voice activity on Discord Mobile. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, these steps will help you get it done in just a minute or two. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap your profile picture to open up your user settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled App Settings. Here you'll find several options, but what you're looking for is the Voice option. Tap on Voice to open the voice settings. Now you'll see a variety of options related to your voice and audio preferences. Scroll down until you find the section called Voice Processing. This section contains features that help improve your voice quality during calls, but sometimes they can cause issues or use extra device resources. Under Voice Processing, you'll see a setting called Advanced Voice Activity. By default, this might be toggled on, which means Discord is using more advanced algorithms to detect when you're speaking. If you want to disable this and go back to the basic voice activity detection, simply tap the toggle switch next to Advanced Voice Activity. The switch should turn gray, indicating that the feature is now off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled advanced voice activity on Discord Mobile. This change can help if you're experiencing problems with your microphone or if you prefer the standard voice detection method. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and turn it back on if you change your mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and tutorials. See you next time.